1 hour 54 minutes reading here. Okay. Mommy Samira said I'm here. I ain't going nowhere. So in 6 minutes time, I'm gonna be out of here. So I love you all. Garden said Asamira Ichmus bets okay scon. I know Sean is beautiful. Each is me. Okay. What do I know again? Each again, which is me, Bim. Okay, grob means tall. Is it tall? Kochen, okay, Sean. Also, Bisbolt und ich wunsch dir eine bisschen Lich. Hey, small self understand what this statement is, but no, I got this. Chef Jamie, my sister said she must marry a Nigerian man to the extent she is traveling to Nigeria tomorrow for 4 days to find that. For real? From where? From where? She's praying for that one too hard. What? Where are you guys at? Sleep good, Gardens. Sleep good. Okay, is Gardens going? Danke, Gardens. Thank you, Gardens. Siba is sleeping already. From America, Alabama, she won't come Nigeria. Please let her pray well, oh. I beg. Hello, Jacob. Trust you are doing great. My husband is saying hi, Jacob. She wants to marry a Nigerian man. So she's coming to Nigeria for 4 days to find out. Please, you should be careful and prayerfully do so. I love the fact that she's been praying. Let her prayerfully do so, please. I don't want us to come and fall into the wrong hands. Nigerian men are wonderful. They are amazing, loving. They are wonderful. They are wonderful, but please, you should be very careful. Very, 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 very careful. When I say very careful, I mean very careful, okay? Yeah. That's what I said, yes. Gardens. Okay, Jamie, bye, and I wish you and your family a blessed and happy Christmas. Thank you, Gardens. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for showing up today. Home sweet home, Alabama. Please let her be careful. Please. And you guys should be prayerful. Seriously. Superb. Bisbald. Goodbye. Superb. From Gardens. Okay, Jacob said, Aaron, hey, sir. Please, you should be careful. It's a wonderful. Are wonderful. They are sweet. They are nice. But you know that wherever you go, please don't fall into the wrong hands. Especially because of what is happening here. Literally, all the Nigerians want to leave Nigeria. Everybody wants to leave Nigeria. So please, you should be careful. You should just be careful. Okay? You should just be careful. 3 more minutes and I'm out of here. 3 more minutes to go. To go. Get to Natch Gardens. Now, so yesterday I said Guten Natch. I don't know whether I sleep. They worry me. She met a man who came to America at 17 and she's going there to meet his parents. She met a man who came to America at 17 and she's going to meet his parents. Okay, the man has been in Nigeria since when he was 17. And that one done to America. As long as he's there, then it's fine. I thought she doesn't know. I thought she doesn't know the person. Good night, Mommy Samira. Why are you telling Mommy Samira good night? The Mommy Samira says she's leaving. I told her, watch out for Fulani headsmen. Where it's not everywhere that they attack, okay? Jacob, yeah. Why are you telling Mommy Samira good night? Are you okay? Should we check on you? Yeah, it's not everywhere. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out 5 minutes from